Welcome back to Rough Restos. I'm Jordan and we're maintaining the Range Rover. Surprise. So, quick, short episode, minute. All we're doing is changing the rear diff fluid because someone's already done the front diff, transfer box. I've done the gearbox, the engine and everything else now. So the one item remaining is the rear diff. So I'll put the specifications up here of the fluid. It depends if you have a locking rear diff or non-locking rear diff. So let's get to it. First thing you want to do is put the car up in the air. Now, I've got a ramp luckily. If not, a little set of ramps or put it into extended suspension mode and you should be good to go. So let's crack on. So here's our rear diff. Now, hard to see because I've hid it behind the exhaust, but up above there, you see that little hex? So there's a little hex fill plug there. And then just up there. And then at the bottom here, we've got a, what's that, like a 3/8 square drain plug. So first off, we want to crack off the fill plug, because if we can't fill it back up, we don't want to do a drain plug and drain it. So let's do that a second. Oh, it's come undone. Oh, it did. So, make sure it's gonna. Right. We've got a H8 for the fill plug and a 3/4 inch for the drain plug. No, 3/8, sorry, not 3/4. How tight is this one going to be? Oh, not too bad. Right, next step, drain pan. Alright, so it should be about 1 litre in here. What colour is it going to be? Oh, that's lovely and clean. Damn it! Yeah, doesn't smell burnt or anything. Okay, oh well. Looks like we're doing this for the fun of it then. Never a bad thing to do though. So let's clean off the drain plug because it's a magnetic plug and it's got a swarf on it, which you'd expect. As long as there's not excessive amounts of swarf. And then we're going to put this one back in because I've only just read the manual. It says you meant to replace it. So ideally replace that one. It is slightly tapered, so it'll be fine. It's not like it's got a one-use seal on it, but yeah, meant to change it. So get a new one of them. There we go. We'll clean it off in a minute, make sure it's not leaking. So let's pull out that fill plug. Now what we need to do is pump fluid in until it just starts coming out the hole, which should be a bit shy of 1 litre. Further until it starts to flow back out the hole. There we go. Just like that. So torque the drain plug and the fill plug up to 30 Newton meters. And then you're done. Clean up the mess you made. Oh crap, I sprayed the camera. And there we have it. Another nice simple bit of maintenance on the L405. So not all the maintenance on these things are hard. A lot of it is very easy actually. So yeah, hopefully this video is some use to you. If not, sorry. But yeah, I've just recorded another 3 previous videos. There's also 4 or 5 previous to that, and there's definitely more coming because it's a Range Rover. So yeah, if you like the video, why not actually give it a like, drop me a comment, tell me what you think, subscribe for plenty more, and with any luck, I'll see you again next time. I've been Jordan. Cheers.